Last video I had completed sign up and login for the user. In this video I'll create the middleware uh, which will authenticate user, and using this user will able to access the private API. So basically when I request for any private API, it will came to this middleware first and check whether user is valid or not. So for this I'm going to use JWT is equal to require JSON web token, as I'm using JSON web token for authenticate the user. As you see in earlier video, I'm saving user ID as payload in JSON web token. Next thing, I'm going to use const config. As using config, I need to fetch our JWT secret, which is in default.json file. So I had just grab config. Now I'm going to use module.exports, and it should is equal to, and I'm going to create an arrow function request response and next. Basically next will use when we have any middleware, we need to execute the next request or next middleware by calling next method. Okay, fine. And here I just need to first I need to get token from the header, so that if I got any token from the header I can proceed further. So here I'm going to use const token is equal to the request.header, and inside it I need to pass the key name. So I'm going to use authorization here. So just write the key name, or which key you use, just write here like your auth token or xauth etc. And next thing I need to check whether we have token or not. Like if I did not get any token, then I just simply return a message to user like you are not authorized. And if I got token, then I proceed further. So if not token, then I'm going to use return rest.status, and inside status I'm going to use 401 as and .json. Inside JSON I'm going to use pass a message, as I'm using same throughout the app. And inside message I'm going to use you are not authorized. Okay, that's fine. Or you can extend the message further, like please log in with a valid credential. It's up to you. I'm using the only one, like you're not authorized. That's all. Okay, now I need to if we have token, then I need to verify it, like if token is valid or not. So I'm going to use here try catch block. Inside catch, if there any error occur, then I'm going to use simply e and rest.status. Inside it I'm going to pass the status of 401, and I'm going to pass the same message like .json, and inside the message I'm going to use you are not authorized. So just write message, or you can copy the same thing as I'm going to use the same one. So just send the response if we any error code. Now I need to validate the token. So I'm going to use const decode is equal to jwt.verify. Now I need to use here token what I got from the header, and here I'm going to use the secret. So config.get, and inside it pass your key name jw2 secret. Save this. Then after I'm going to use request.user, and it should be equal to decoded. Just write name decoded. I think in place of decoded should be better, as we are before receive the request, actual request we decoded already that one. I'll just replace it. As you know, like when I create the payload for JWT, I pass user, and inside the user we have ID. So next thing, I need to execute next middleware. So I'm using next method for this. So by using this, like when we got any request for private API, we got the ID of user, like who is requesting, and after that it will execute next request.